parents have been often struggling in selecting a good board for their children. CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, Cambridge board. So there is a variety of choice that parents face. Now the big question comes in, what is the best? As a small child, parents are not well aware whether they want the child to have a career focused approach, which could be a NEET JEE approach. But at the other end, which board gives them better opportunities? So be it either board, CBSE or Cambridge, we had covered a class before as well, they offer different approaches. So let's first understand what are the approaches they offer, and then we'll talk about which board is better. So under CBSE, we can say it is more structured, more standardized, with better focus on academics, because the syllabus is as aligned with the NEET JEE curriculum, and the benefit is it is relatively less expensive, widely available in every city or every corner of the country, with better affordability and better simplicity of the syllabus, we could say. But one of the major disadvantage that CBSE has, it does not provide as much flexibility as Cambridge board, because you are free to choose your subject starting from 8th grade in Cambridge, which is not the option for CBSE. That happens only after your 10th class examination. CBSE more focuses on rote learning, less on applicative and conceptual concepts, and is less practical relative to the Cambridge. However, if I talk about Cambridge, as we said, is globally recognized, more flexible. You can choose the stream in which you want to pursue your career from the very early years. It is more practical, more applicative. It is difficult to train a child to work with Cambridge or IGCSE or A or AS levels, because the pattern of the examination is highly competitive, with more application based approach. So inquiry based, knowledge based, research based approach should be well imbibed in the early years or the formative years of the child. But one of the major benefits is it helps the child to have a overall development with an international perspective, broader choice of the subjects, and pursue the choice of their interest from the early years, and rule out the subjects that they do not want to. So this Cambridge actually helps you focus more on the specific targets. But one of the major disadvantages that you have with Cambridge is that it is relatively more expensive. Higher fees, you can say, are seen, but the range of the combinations that are provided for Cambridge is much high as compared to CBSE. So here we have a quick difference between the two. CBSE, as we saw, provides or is based on NCERT curriculum, which is the basis for your NEET and JEE entrance examinations, and even other entrance examinations like CUET, UG, and ICER and NEST as well. So for Indian competitive exams, if you are planning for those, CBSE is a right match. For international competitive exams, Cambridge board or IGCSE AS level is good match. ICSE is a derived Indian version of IGCSE. Till 1970s, the copies used to go to England. The papers were set in England and checked. But now on, the papers are being set in India, checked in India. So it is, we can say, a Indianized version of Cambridge board, right? So we have ICSE as another choice that you can opt for. So this was a brief idea about the major boards, the drawbacks, the advantages, and the major differences. Now many of the parents are really struggling to help understand what would be the best fit for their child. So for the early years, the formative years, if you want all-round development for your child, of course ICSE or IGCSE would be a good choice. But later, if you want them to have a targeted focus with Indian competitive exams, CBSE of course would be a better choice. But again, you can find out the differences. You can check out your budget and affordability, and accordingly decide the best school for your child. Besides this, one of the major criteria that you must not forget is proximity to the school. So thanks for joining in. Have a great day.